So the DIFC was established in 2004. It's a financial free zone located in the heart of Dubai, and it operates in accordance with DIFC law. Now, DIFC law essentially is a codified version of English common law, and the DIFC courts adjudicate on disputes that take place in the DIFC. So when the DIFC was established, the DIFC courts initially had jurisdiction over DIFC entities. That's companies incorporated in the DIFC, and at the time most of these entities were financial institutions regulated by the Dubai Financial Services Authority. Now, the jurisdiction of the Dubai courts has expanded over the years. Now there's a DIFC opt-in jurisdiction, and this means that parties anywhere in the world, should they so choose, can decide to have their disputes adjudicated in accordance with DIFC law and by the DIFC courts. In 2017, the DIFC courts established a Technology and Construction Division, and that's a division of the DIFC courts that deals with technology and construction disputes, essentially matters that are technically complex. So the new Digital Economy Court needs to be seen in this context. It's a division of the DIFC courts. It will hear cases through English in accordance with DIFC law, and the division will specialize in the new digital economy. And that includes matters such as artificial intelligence, cryptocurrencies, financial technology. In fact, its remit is very, very broadly defined. And this will be the first specialized digital economy court anywhere in the world. And as I say, anyone, no matter where they're located in the world, can choose to have their disputes governed by this new court in accordance with DIFC law. So the new rules really differ in three respects. Firstly, the new rules allow for the use of technology throughout the proceedings. For example, legal documents can be served not only by email, but also through social media. Likewise, the default position under the new rules is that all hearings will take place remotely. And there's even provision within the new rules for the use of decision tree software and smart forms in the litigation process. And it may be possible that in the years to come, algorithms will be developed that will guide parties through the litigation process. Now, the second aspect to the new rules is that the court is specifically empowered to make orders in respect of digital assets. And as may be appreciated, when a court has to make such orders, it's often making orders against third parties or parties that aren't actually before the court at that time. So having that specific power, particularly with respect to digital assets, is something new. And really the final thing with the new rules is that there will be a specialized judge who will be in charge of the new court, and that this means that parties who choose to have their disputes resolved before the new court can expect a degree of expertise to be brought to bear. Well, let's take an example of driverless cars. Now, the traditional position is that when you have a road accident, the party at fault, or the party who caused the crash, is liable to pay damages to an injured party. But this is obviously going to have to change. So take a driverless car. I mean, sometimes a crash can be caused by a malfunction in the car itself, or at least in the hardware associated with the car. But likewise, sometimes the accident could in fact be caused by delinquent software. And this means that software developers could potentially be liable. And those software developers may not have built the car, and the software developers themselves may reside in places ranging from San Francisco to Shanghai. So apportioning liability when you look at driverless cars, or any other artificial intelligence for that matter, is going to be very difficult. And we're going to need specialized courts who can determine problems like this in a principled way. So I think that's one aspect going forward in which the Digital Economy Court will be very useful.